Hey guys, it's Alyssa here. I'm here to tell you guys that I will be SheaMoisture Sheabassador of 2019, and I am so grateful and thankful that they've chosen me. So I'm going to show you guys what I got in my first Sheabassador box, and I'm so excited to show you guys. Stay tuned. So first you get your pamphlet with our Sheabassador welcome letter, and then just of course some expectations and what we need to do, and it's just giving us a little letter from the founder. All right, and here's the second pamphlet. This shows their story and how they started and where they started, and also where you can find the items, which are available at Walmart since they have new logos, which I love. They are amazing. And I'm going to go ahead and start on the first product, which will be the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Shampoo. This gentle, sulfate-free clarifying shampoo removes buildup while infusing hair with moisture, ideal for all hair types including natural, chemically treated, and heat styled. A good tip, apple cider vinegar is your go-to for removing buildup from hard water residue and chlorine, as it helps to deeply cleanse and smooth the cuticle without stripping strands of precious natural oils. Next is the Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate and Repair Shampoo. This creamy, sulfate-free shampoo is blended with Manuka honey and yogurt to gently cleanse and replenish moisture while helping to strengthen strands. Another tip, perfect for use when heat styling, as it reduces breakage up to 76% when used with our Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate and Repair Conditioner. Up next, Coconut and Hibiscus Curl and Shine Conditioner. This creamy conditioner glides through hair to detangle and restore moisture and shine. Rich coconut oil and certified organic shea butter conditions tresses, while silk protein and neem oil reduces frizz and create brilliant shine. Great tip, apply to towel dried hair. For deeper conditioning, place a plastic cap over hair and leave on for 15 minutes. Next, we have the 100% virgin coconut oil daily hydration conditioner. Formulated with an ultra nourishing blend of 100% virgin coconut and shea oils, coconut milk, and acai Senegal, this daily conditioner revitalizes lackluster hair, leaving it soft and silky. I honestly don't know if that's the right way to say the word. Don't quote me on it. The next tip, as an alternative to shampoo, apply and use as a conditioning co-wash. And lastly, we have the sugarcane extract and Meadowfoam seed silicone-free miracle styler leave-in treatment. This leave-in styler truly does it all. Detangles, nourishes, softens, helps with brush glide, adds shine, smooths to reduce frizz, and enhances silkiness. Tip, formulated to naturally glide through hair, can be used as a detangling pre-shampoo. And as a bonus, they also sent a detangling brush. I believe that's what this is. It's a new style for me, but I'm gonna definitely try it out and see how it works in my hair as well. So that's all for this first box. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure you guys give a like, subscribe, and also turn on